Right, so here we are in the creation station. We got a deep dive, and what we're going to do is we're going to just use a permanent marker to go for it with our cartoon. I always like to start with a nose, so I like to give myself about 5 seconds per facial feature. So we're going to start right off here with a nose today. I'm going to make my nose fairly long. Just kind of turn it out like that. For my eyes, there's many ways we can draw them. I'm going to kind of make 2 long lines across the top to kind of signify where my eyebrows or eyelids might be, followed by a couple eyes, so keeping it very simple. And these are things that you can modify along the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and add myself an ear across from my eyes, just like that. Probably a little bit extra detail than I would do in my first cartoon, but nonetheless, it's a great start. So then we're going to go ahead and draw a hairline. We're going to follow it. I'm going to get my sideburns and work my way on up the top. So once we have the hairline in, then I want to go ahead and make the mouth, which is very much like a J. So I'm going to take a J and kind of just do that with it. You can add other features like cheekbones, dimples, and little things like that as you evolve your cartooning style. Next, we're going to add a chin and a neck. So 2 sides to the neck. Boom. And then we're going to go ahead and do our shirt collar. So I'm going to give myself a t-shirt today. It's a great way to start. Simple halo shape. We're going to go ahead and add shoulders. And that is the end of our cartoon. Nose, step 1. Eyes, step 2. Ears, step 3. Hair, step 4. Mouth, step 5. Chin and neck, step 6. And the collar and shoulders is step 7. Then we just simply give ourselves a name, and as you know, I write everything upside down. So we'll go ahead and put a nice fresh Mr. W on there, right at the bottom. And you never know when this thing's going to blow up, so we're going to put a signature on there, get a nice gold pen or something like that to really make your work stand out. And that's it. There's your 7 steps to creating your own unique cartoon. What you would want to do in the future, and what we'll explore further in this video, is creating another different looking individual. I'm going to make one completely from scratch, and we are going to talk about just how to adjust or modify the features a little bit to create a completely special, unique individual. Peace and bright blessings to you all. Hey, welcome back for part 2 of this video, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take our 7 steps and we're going to create a friend for ourselves. So we're going to go ahead once again and we're going to start with a nose. You might want to make it a little bit different this time because we're all unique individuals. So I made mine a little bit more rounded. Then for eyes, step 2, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple sideways 6s. That's a fun eye to make. Go ahead and modify that. All right, we'll move on to our ear. I'm going to do a little ear that's going to be kind of tucked away like this. Step 3. And now we're going to add some hair. So I'm going to go ahead and create a curly hair. And you know, if you have to go off the page, that's totally cool. So we'll put it up like that. Then we're going to do our mouth. And for this one, I'm going to add a little special feature. I'm going to create a mustache. Kind of looks like a comb there, a couple teeth sticking out, and make just like so. 1, 2, 3, big smile, and then a little goatee. All right, we're going to go ahead and add a neck coming out like that, and then our collar will make his shirt a little bit different, coming down like so, across the body, and this will be our friend Bobby. So, now I have a friend to share my cartooning experience with. I hope you like the modifications that we made, and now you have some ideas of your own. Let's go ahead and sign our work, and have a wonderful day full of green light.